In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a Shopify theme using a zip file. Installing a theme via a zip file is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step to make sure everything goes smoothly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your Shopify theme installed and ready to customize. First things first, before you begin the installation process, you'll need to ensure that your zip file is ready. If you've just downloaded it or received it from a designer or a theme marketplace, you'll want to have it easily accessible on your computer. Make sure you know exactly where this file is located so you can quickly find it when it's time to upload. With your zip file prepared, go ahead and open your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find a variety of options. Click on Online Store. This is your gateway to managing all the visual aspects of your Shopify site. After clicking on Online Store, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll need to select Themes. This section is specifically designed for everything related to your store's look and feel, so it's the perfect place to manage any theme-related changes. Next, take a quick look at the top right-hand corner of the Themes page. You should see an option labeled Import Theme. Go ahead and click on this. Choosing Import Theme will bring up an option to upload zip file. This is where your prepared zip file comes into play. Now, it's time to upload. You have a couple of options here. You can either click on the upload field or simply drag and drop your zip file directly into the designated area. If you're dragging and dropping, simply locate your file in your computer folders, click it, and drag it over to the upload zone and release it. If you choose to click, a file selector will open, allowing you to navigate to the location where your zip file is stored and choose it for upload. After you've got the zip file in place, you'll want to click the Upload button. Once you do this, Shopify will begin the process of installing your theme. And that's really all there is to it. You've successfully navigated the process of installing a Shopify theme using a zip file. Now your theme is installed, and you can start delving into customization options to make your online store truly your own. With everything set to go, you're well on your way to creating a visually appealing and functional shopping experience for your customers. Thanks for following along, and happy selling!